so let's have a go at the beep test. I've calculated it as from this line, 20 meters, to this line right here. Okay, so here's a practice run. This is what the beep test sounds like.
Start level 1, 1.
Okay, I made it halfway through the test without absolutely destroying myself. I decided I'd finish while still inside my comfort zone. Try again this afternoon. Halfway. That's about all I got.
Start level 3, 1.
So the beep test, not a huge success. I'm gonna have to work pretty hard on that.